Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. Today is day 1 and I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss a thing. First, I want to give a thank you to our volunteer, Laura Duffy. She has let me use her account as an example today. To get started as a Facebook on business, it's important to know that you must have a personal profile first. That's actually a Facebook rule, and we'll show you a little bit later how that comes in handy. I've actually already logged into Laura's account, and I want you to know that this video will show you how to do this setup in the new Facebook layout. If you're still using Classic, it's pretty simple to switch over. I'm on the Classic mode right now. I'm going to go up into that top right-hand corner in the blue bar, click the down arrow, and just simply click Switch to New Facebook. This will bring out the new look that's coming out. And if you don't have this option yet, it hasn't rolled out for everyone, don't worry, it'll be working soon, and all of the steps I'm going to show you today can still be completed in the Classic mode. The buttons and layouts just might look a little different. So in order to get started by creating a brand new business page, what you're going to do is come up to the top right and click this plus button. If you hover over it, it says create. And you're going to scroll down until you find the button that says page. So go ahead and click that button page. And this new page will pop up. You can see over on the left-hand side we have our editor, and the right-hand side is going to show you a preview of what your new page will look like. For this screen, you want to do a couple of things. Number 1 is name our page. All right. Laura is in real estate, so I want to make sure that she is compliant. And I want you all to know that none of this we're doing right now is permanent. You can always come back and edit it later. So for real estate, I want to put her name and her brokerage. And you can see over on the right-hand side, it's reflected what I've typed in there. It is important to know that, yes, while you can change the name, Facebook does limit how frequently you can do it. So don't just put something random in there. Put something that lets people know what your business is and makes it easily identifiable for your page name. The next thing you're going to do is choose your category. So if you are, a retailer and you want to put that you're a shop, you can start typing that in. You can see that it just says type something to get started. There, Facebook does have categories already. So I'm going to start by typing real for real estate, and she is a real estate agent. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that option. Now Laura has already provided me a short description. Give me one moment while I pull that up. And I've simply copied that text that she sent me, and I'm just hitting paste in the description here. You can see that there is a little prompt right underneath to get you started, and a character limit of 255 characters. I'm going to go ahead and click create page here, and that will take us to the next step. Alright, so now that we're on to the next step, you can see it's asking for images. So one is a profile picture and one is a cover photo. I do have both ready to go. I will do a video showing you how to add a cover photo later in the challenge. You can see that they are both optional, so if you do not have them ready to go, you don't have to have them at this time to move forward. We do, of course, want you to have that eventually for your page. The sooner, the better. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this add profile picture button right here. And I have some pictures on my desktop already. So I'm just going to go through my computer and find the one I want. and let that upload. And you can see over on the right where it popped in here. I also have a cover photo I've already created. And like I said, I'll do a video specifically on how to make that cover photo, and that's uploading right now as well. I do want to point out that at the top of this editor, you can see the variations of a desktop screen or on a mobile device. So right now we're viewing it as a person would see it on a desktop. And if I click the little tablet or phone icon, you can see how it will show on a mobile device. So that way you can check and see that everything looks great from both perspectives. I'm just going to go ahead and hit save there. And now you can see it has loaded the page and we are up and running. I'm going to conclude the first day's challenge right there. So we titled our page. If you have them ready to go, you can upload your picture and your cover photo, your profile picture and your cover photo. I've also added a short description, which again, if you don't have that ready to go right now, you can always add that in later. And we chose our category. You can see that we're listed as a real estate agent. So now that we've got your very basic setup complete, we're going to stop here for the day. Go ahead and join me tomorrow to learn how to add your basic business info such as contact, address, and even hours for our second day of our challenge. Before that, let me know in the comments what you named your business page. I'd love to come check you guys out. Remember to like and subscribe and click that bell for alerts so that you get notifications when new videos become available, and I'll see you tomorrow.